Hey, hello, welcome back, guys, to the itworldstrends.web.com. And today we are going to watch in this tutorial, that is, this is my, I guess, 16 tutorial. And this tutorial we are going to watch something about the frames. In HTML, the frame is just amazing because whenever you are using a frames, this allows user to interact with more than one web page at a time. You can divide your entire web pages into something 2 3, and as per your requirement you can divide the web page for your convenience. Okay, so today we are going to watch something called as a frame. The frame are just useful in HTML for interacting your web pages, uh, which are if you have a two web pages, you have to show in the same pages interaction between them, then you can use a frame. uh, so as we are getting started, you will get understand what is the frames actually. uh, I created here a web page which contain a HTML tag, that is basic HTML tag, HTML open, HTML close, head, title, body. And whenever you are working with the frame tag, you don't have to include this body tag. So just remove your body tag entirely, and you just have to include a tag which is a frame set and frame. So whenever you are working with the frame tags, you have to work with frame set tag and frame tag. So frame set tag is nothing but define a structure of a frame you want to generate. A frame set tag can contain a one frame tag, and of each frame element can separate contain a separate document. So how to create a frame set is the simple. You have to just include a opening frame set and closing frame set, and in that you have to include opening frame and opening frame. Okay, so let's get started. Just I have created here a page, just include here a frame set. Okay, um, just close the frame set. Okay, so now whenever you are working with the frame set either can be divided in the column wise or row wise. This means that whenever you are including calls, this means that you are going to divide your entire web page into column wise, and whenever you are include something which is called as a rows, you are going to divide your entire page into a row wise. Okay, so this is a use of calls and rows. Today we are going to just see what is calls. um, and in this calls we have to pass a value at which you have to divide in the screen. If you have 100% of a screen, you want something like 50% should be a different web page, and 50% you have a different web page. So how to do that is that just you have to include a 50 percentage comma 50 percentage. That's it. You are going to divide this frame into a same size part. So this is a 50 percentage and this is 50 percentage. Okay, now whenever you are include frame tag, it is necessary to include frame tag. Frame tag contain a one attribute, that is source, which allows you to display the web page in the uh, particular frame. So now here we have a division of web page, that is 50% and 50%. So in this 50% we are going to uh, display this web page, and in this 50% we are going to add another page which is going to display. So okay, so we have a 50% for this web page and 50% for this web page. So just we have to include a URL of the web page you want. So I have a multiple web pages here. I'm just going to include form.html and first.html. So here I am going to include first.html, and here I am going to include forms.html. So just check you have spelled right form.html, so just change it out. Okay, you can include any of two web pages that will display in the web pages. Okay, so whenever we have done all this coding, just go and to the your browser and just press F1. So here we have two web pages that is divided in the two, that is this is a first.html and this is a form.html. so it is dividing your web pages into similar size, that is this is a 50% and this is a 50%. Let's say you want to add another web page into your web page. So you have to just specify the amount of web page is 100% by default. So whenever you are doing something like 50% it will allocate all your screen size. So whenever you are typing something like 25 and 50%, it becomes 100%. So you have a 25% for first.html, 25% for form.html, and for 50% we are going to add another frame tag, that is frame src is equal to another web page name. I'm just going to add list.html. So list.html, just save your file, go to your browser and refresh. Boom, you have a 3 web page in the single web page. You can access all of them without any interaction. So this is how working with the frame. In the next tutorial we are going to watch uh, all the advanced features of the frames, how to use frames, how to divide the frames in the row wise. This is what we have seen a call wise. In the next tutorial we are going to see how to divide the frame in row wise and managing your frame according to your condition. So thank you for watching guys this tutorial. In the next tutorial we are going to have fun. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.